Hi guys, it's Crystal with Design Bundles. Today I'm going to show you guys how to repurpose a sign. So if you guys seen my previous video, you guys seen how I showed you guys how to remove adhesive vinyl or HTV from a wooden sign. So these are the two signs that I redid last time. And now today we're going to redo this sign right here. Now all of these are from the same bundle. I'll have them linked down below. So we're just going to take our heat gun and heat this up. This is permanent vinyl, but if you take a heat gun on low settings and go over each of these letters individually, you can simply peel it off and it's going to save your wood sign. You're not going to tear it up or pull off any paint. I highly recommend doing this with chalk painted signs. All right, so now I've already got my design cut out here, so I'm just kind of lining it up. I only had 12 by 12 sheets available, so what I did was I made my design like 19 inches wide and cut it in half. I sliced that in Cricut Design Space. Now I'm going to go ahead and take my transfer tape. I like to use paper transfer tape for this whenever I'm working with wooden signs because it's not going to be too sticky to the wooden sign, so it's not going to pull up any paint or anything like that. So what we're going to do is just cut down a size here. I'm going to trim off any of that excess just so it's not in our way. And then I'm going to go ahead and take my scraper tool and really rub this onto the transfer sheet so it'll be easy to lift up. Now, the fact that this is cut in half, I need to figure out where the center of my sign is. You could already have measured this out and made some marks on your wood sign if you want to, but I'm just going to tack it down. The vinyl's not down, it's just the transfer sheet, so I can hold the other one up and see if it's where it needs to be. If it is, go ahead and lay it down. If not, pick it up and move it again. So now I'm just going to take that scraper tool and I'm going to rub everything down and then take off the transfer sheet. I'm going to use the same transfer sheet to pick up the other side. So now I'm going to take my scraper tool, really rub the next side in very well, and then we are going to hold this up. Now it may take you a few shots to figure out exactly where this needs to line up, but just hover right above it. And once again, you can tack down that transfer sheet and test it out. And if not, lift it back up and move it around. So I'm just going to get that down just like so. Take our scraper tool, really rub it in just like this, and pull away the transfer sheet. So just like that, we have a whole brand new sign. Once again, this entire bundle is linked down below. I love the way that all of these signs came out. So you can completely redo all of your signs to have a whole new look. So you can refresh all of your home decor just this easy. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please hit the like button down below and subscribe. And I'll see you guys on the next one.